Well, hello to everybody. My name is Yogesh Gaat and I'm the Chief Business Officer at Varthana Finance Private Limited. If I was to speak about the environment of Varthana Finance, we have equal and more number of successful women performers as well. It is an inhibition in our mind that women are designed, women are suited for specific tasks. But at Varthana, we ourselves have removed this bias and we've seen enough and more women taking up assignments which are physically challenging. I think as an organization, we've always encouraged equal participation of both men and women in all functions. Once the candidate is onboarded, it's about giving the necessary support, encouragement, and giving them tasks which we would otherwise not give it to that individual, considering that she is a female. I would rather encourage that female employee to take up assignments and prove that she can do that equally or better if the task was given to a male candidate. I think it's time that we as an individual stop considering female as different from males in terms of what they bring on the table. Offer them roles which otherwise you would not want to. And I'm pretty sure that all our notions, all our fears will get dispelled when you see these girls performing, overachieving in the tasks. So friends, I would encourage my male counterparts to be more welcoming towards bringing in more female employees onto the organization, giving them the tasks and responsibilities to grow. Treat them as if she was your daughter, your sister, your wife. If you would not want your daughter, your sister, your wife to be discriminated, then why should that female employee working next to you should be discriminated? So I'm very confident that Varthana will provide a very enabling atmosphere for all the female employees and help them grow within Varthana and help Varthana grow.